Once upon a time, all animals are friendly with each other. The dogs, cats, and mouse are eating together and help one another. But they changed because of something that had happened. One day, the dog brought home a bone that would be shared with the cat and the mouse. The cat and the mouse are out of because they also looking for food. The dog heard a noise coming from the door. The dog left the bone and ran outside in order to see if its master was safe. The mouse arrived lonely because it wasn't able to find food. It saw the bone, got it, and ran up the road. We will share this to my friends later, said the mouse. When the dog went back, it got sheltered because the bone was there. It looked for the bone for several times but was not able to find it. The cat arrived without food or to find the bone. They had reached the place where the mouse lived. The dog and the cat get surprised. They had the idea that the mouse intentionally got the bone for itself.